What's up?
What'd you give me for lunch?
Wait, did you want lunch?
I'm gonna end a man's life today, I tell you.
Merry Christmas!
Let's come to my lair. Hi. It's the hottest trash you'll ever see. That's all I strive for. It's fine. Hello, friends. I'm about to be raptured, I guess, dude. Jeez. I'm starving. And all I've done today, I've done so much. I'm amazing, is what I'm getting at here. But also, I need to eat this empanada for breakfast. Hold on. I don't know why I thought it would be a good idea to try and do two things at once, but basically, I've cleaned my entire house. Also, did an Orange Theory class. I thought I would say hi really quick because my friend is coming over. He's bringing me my birthday gift. I probably won't vlog just because he's shy, my little shy friends, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go eat this because I need to. This vlog is gonna be insane. Thank you all for bearing with me. We're gonna eat some soup. My friend just left, but he brought over, we like to play games because we're both competitive motherfuckers. Look at little boy rapping. Boy rapping is so funny to me. We played this cockroach poker game, which actually was very fun. It's a good, I feel like it's good. It was good with two people, but I also could see how it would be more fun, or not more fun, but also fun, I should say, with like a party. So I was like, good job. Apparently he was on Reddit for a long time looking at good games, so appreciate it, man. It does some work. You know, the other one he got is Codenames, so if you've played these, let me know. We didn't get to this one because I gotta get some stuff done, but I don't know if you noticed my clean home. Pristine. Amazing, beautiful. And we got our painted picture. We got some art up. I hung it this morning. And I filled, well, this is money, but I filled a stocking for Kim full of a bunch of like products and goods. This is like the cutest packaging. Look at this. Oh, haven't actually tried it, but cute packaging. So I just shoved a bunch of cash. I should really write her a card, but I just hadn't gotten to it yet. I was like, I'll leave Kim because she's staying with this little nincompoop tomorrow, and we're leaving. Okay, I'm saying too many things. Hold on. Let's reconvene. We're going to Mexico for my birthday. I'm very excited. But we leave tomorrow. For those of you just on the edge of your seats wondering what happened with my car, it was perfectly fine. Iris and I, this was literally just like a several day process. Like it was just baloney. I got the puck things that I needed for my silly little car that I appreciate very much, but still. And we went to go remove the tire, and then of course the jack that she had, which is a low to the ground jack, was still too high because my car is really low to the ground, and then when you put the puck thing in it, it's just like there's barely any room between that and the ground. And I was like, so now we don't even have a jack? And like that's the thing, is I looked everywhere in my car. I have no idea where this jack is. I looked on Google and I was like, I feel like that because this is not coming up at all, it's probably somewhere very obvious and I am just missing it, but you win some, you lose some, folks. So anyways, yeah, I just called Tesla and was like, here's all of my money, please just repair this tire. So my car is back in order, which is good. I just was like, it's too much of a time crunch and like, I don't know, I was just too stressed. Not like actually about the changing of a tire. I know that we're competent people that can change a tire, but it's just every time I was looking up Tesla specific stuff, it was just like, this is how you can destroy your battery. This is how you can destroy this. And I was like, okay, what if this like, I don't know. I just didn't want like one little problem to become a much bigger problem because we messed something up. And I was just, anyway, so I just gave up and was like, I'm just gonna pay. We're just gonna pay $400 to get this done. And that's what I did. So it did need a new tire, which I expected. So I'm just like, it's fine, it is what it is. I was gonna get massages in Mexico and I was like, maybe we just don't. Maybe we just don't do that. We call it even. The world works out, it's okay. So that's why you save money. This is what savings are for. It's not a big deal. So yeah, I'm very fortunate that I can say that also. So, you know, it's all cool. So yeah, tire is taken care of. My friend Kim, I know she's been on the vlog at some point, but she is coming to live in our home, in our Lux Airbnb home. So I was like, well, I'll give her a bunch of like, I'll tell her she can use whatever's in my bathroom, but also just give her some products so she can do a little spa day with Thor while they hang out. Yeah, that's what I thought, dog. I've gotten done with a lot of stuff a lot earlier than I expected to. I need to get all my Vlogmases organized and up and scheduled for the next couple days, but I think it's pretty much just that, and I need to redo my nails. I'm gonna leave my nails to the last minute because it just doesn't really matter. Because I cut them all. I'm so sad. It's fine. I just was like too drunk. Like when we were bowling, I was like, Lauren, just bowl with your hands. Just bowl, like just throw the ball. And then I would get too into it, and then I kept putting my fingers in the ball, how you're supposed to throw it, and I'd do it, and then I would lose a nail. Like the top would just chip in the ball, like it would just bust off, and I was like, and then I was like, Lauren, don't do it again. And then I would immediately do it again. So now I have a bunch of little baby nubs. It's just so weird because I look at my hands now and I'm like, whose hands are these? Like, I don't know this person. This is a stranger danger situation. Things are happening. Oh, wow. Okay. I guess things are really happening. I was just going to say my Vlogmas is exploding. Look, Thor, there you are. With my high class intro. Oh, hello.
Oh, hey there.
How are you?
Pretty great. How are you, Internet?
Let us know. Comment below. What'd you give me for lunch? Ira!
What's up?
What'd you give me for lunch?
Wait, did you want lunch?
I'm gonna end a man's life today, I tell you. Ira aggressively failed me, so he's going back to the store and I'm having chicken nuggets like a real adult. These are the Impossible chicken nuggets, which I personally think are very tasty. Man, this whole time I thought I was doing so good on time. I was like, man, my house is clean. I edited all these vlogs. Like, I'm crushing it. I forgot to pack. Yeah, so details. But honestly, I think I forgot about it because I don't want to do it. All right, boys and girls, if you want a full nail video, Kim's here. I'll be back. Thor, you're being so impolite. Just eat the singular piece of food. I'm glad Kim thinks you're funny because I don't. Hi, Kim. Are you so excited to stay in your Portland Airbnb?
Yes, I'm going to be taking over Lauren's life completely.
I hope you just
Standing
start uploading
in-
videos. Just log into my computer, please,
Yes.
and just start vlogging.
Yes, I'm going to take over the channel.
I wish you would, honestly. It'd be more fun for me.
Just automation, that's what you want, right? Yeah.
I'm going to make some Christmas recipes.
Oh, yeah. I'm like,
No,
yeah, I'd watch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Folks, the time is near. Okay, I did my nails. I know you're just so intrigued, but they're still covered in crap apparently. Where is the backup hairbrush? What did I do with it? Why am I like this, boys and girls? Whatever. I just won't brush my hair till I'm in Mexico. It's fine. Sorry that this was kind of a sad little vlog. Not really anything happened today, but with that being said, I am very proud of all the things that I got done today. I'm very grateful that Kim can stay with Thor over the weekend. Also, if I don't think I have publicly spoken about this because it was not a fun thing at all to have happen or to, much less speak about. For those of you that have been watching my vlogs for a while, if you are wondering why I keep only referring to Thor and not also my cat, Biggie, for those who didn't know, I had a cat named Biggie. And I did actually at one point record a vlog and I talked about this, and then I never put the vlog up. So it has now been enough time that I think I can publicly speak on this without breaking down into tears. But just know that when I make weird jokes, it's because that's how I handle emotions. So yeah, I unfortunately, basically like a couple months ago, we had a perfectly healthy, to my understanding, a functioning, happy cat. And then she had lost like a lot of weight. And so I took her, like we made an appointment with the vet. And the thing is, like, she was still eating normally. She was still acting like herself and stuff. It's just the weight loss was kind of dramatic and pretty quick. I don't know. So we took her in and they were like, okay, we're gonna have her, we're gonna run some tests on her and stuff. So, and then get a, I don't remember, they needed some kind of test that needed like another person. And the soonest that that other person could come in to do the test was like a week later. And again, during this week, she's like still acting normal. Everything's fine. But the day that we, and then literally the day that we went to take her in, she was not doing well at all. Like, it was just awful. Basically, it was just like, yeah, I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was cancer. I don't know. Like, we didn't even know. Basically, it was just like her work, like stuff was shutting down, and like she was like just like so quickly went from, I don't know. And I think that happens a lot, especially with like cats. It's just like it's really hard to know. Yeah, we had to, well, I had to kind of make the choice of what to do. But the thing is I was like, honestly, like it's just like there's no coming back from this. Like there just isn't, and you're just like suffering. And I would hope if I was in your position, somebody would put me at, like, it's, I don't know. I was like, I would hope that somebody would do this for me. So I made the call, and like I've had to, I don't know, I've had animals had to be put down before. It's just like, I don't know, it was the first time I have been like the adult. Like I have to be the person to make this choice. And then we were in the room with her, and it was just not, it was terrible. That's what it was. It just was. And here's the thing is, you get pets and you get really attached to them, and I feel like personally you just have to tell yourself it's like, okay, but it was worth it. Like that's the thing, is like I understand that it's traumatizing and it's terrible, and like ideally every single day I look at the word and I'm like, you better die peacefully in your sleep at the age of like 20. I don't want nothing. Like that will crush me, and I'm aware of it, but I also am like, I don't know, it's just like, that's why you should pet them and enjoy them and like appreciate them while you can. And I will say, especially with Thor, like, I don't know, I saw this thing that was like, every time I'm too tired to take my dog out, I remember it's like the best part of his day. And so it's just like, yeah, like, I don't know. It's like you don't have these creatures or people or whoever, you know, is important to you in life for very long. So it's like, yeah, you really should just do the most if you can. So Thor actually hates going outside, so I don't do that, but I do think that whenever he wants to play with the ball and I'm like, ah. So I don't know. It was, yeah, it was not a good time, but that's what happened with her. And so she hasn't been in any vlogs because of that. But I know, and I truly think that we gave her a very nice existence while we had her. And I think she really enjoyed being with us, and we enjoyed being with her. And it was very sad, but again, that's what I mean. I'm like, I don't know. It's just, you gotta enjoy it while you can and take advantage of it. So on that very depressing note, this is the end of today's vlog. No, I don't know. It's just, go hug your pets is what I'm saying. If you got children, maybe hug them. Maybe you don't. Go hug them. If you're totally on your own, hug yourself, dude. That's also a valuable person, all right? And just, again, enjoy things while you got them. You know, just appreciate moments, live in the current times, put your phone away. All the stuff your grandma tells you, you know? So, all right, go do those things. Have a nice rest of your day. I will see you all tomorrow. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. I am so looking forward to being more androgynous.